5 foods that lower cholesterol naturally. If you're already eating plenty of the following foods that lower cholesterol naturally, keep up the good work. But if your idea of eating well is to opt for the buttered popcorn instead of the extra buttered popcorn, consider adding these healthy choices to your diet. If this is your first time visiting us, click the red subscribe button for more videos. Oats. If you're looking to lower your cholesterol, the key may be simply changing your morning meal. Switching up your breakfast to contain 2 servings of oats can lower LDL, bad cholesterol, by 5.3% in only 6 weeks. The key to this cholesterol buster is beta-glucan, a substance in oats that absorbs LDL, which your body needs then excretes. Avocados. In a study from Mexico's Instituto Mexicano del Seguro Social, women and men who ate 1 avocado per day for a week had a reduction in total cholesterol of 17%. The amazing details? While their levels of unhealthy LDL and triglycerides fell, good HDL levels actually rose, thanks perhaps due to the avocado's high levels of good monosaturated fat. This fatty fruit is also full of cholesterol-cutting beta-sitosterol. Salmon and fatty fish. Omega-3 fats are one of the natural health wonders of the world and have been known to ward off heart disease, dementia, and many other diseases. Now these fatty acids can add yet another health benefit to their repertoire, lowering cholesterol. According to research from Loma Linda University, replacing saturated fats with omega-3s like those found in salmon, sardines, and herring can raise good cholesterol as much as 4%. Beans. They really are good for your heart. Researchers at Arizona State University Polytechnic found that adding 1/2 cup of beans to soup lowers total cholesterol, including LDL, by up to 8%. The key to this heart-healthy food is its abundance of fiber, which has been shown to lower the rate and amount of absorption of cholesterol in certain foods. Try black, kidney, or pinto beans. Each supplies about 1/3 of your daily fiber needs. Vegetable oils. Using liquid vegetable oils such as canola, sunflower, safflower, and others in place of butter, lard, or shortening when cooking or at the table helps lower LDL. Cholesterol is often one of the most misunderstood aspects of heart health. For many people, a cholesterol-lowering diet brings to mind low-fat meals that lack flavor. However, as you'll come to see, this couldn't be further from the truth. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more videos.